This is a video for the Ohio Code Scholar project. Today we're going to be going over how to use Arduino Nanos or Arduino Unos to turn ArduinoBlocks code into a blinking light. So the first thing we're going to do is go into ArduinoBlocks and select Start a New Project. We're going to be making a personal project, so click the far left box. We're going to take the type of this project, and I'm going to be using an Arduino Uno. If you're in the project, you'll be using a Nano AT Mega 328 new bootloader, so you need to make sure you select that. You will type the name of the project. I'm just going to do blink light. You can type a short description if you want. You don't have to. I'm just going to type that this code will blink a light. Make sure when you're doing this you select the right project type. That's a big step here. So I selected Uno, you need to select Nano. The next step will be actually going into the coding. You'll see we have a setup block and a loop block. The setup is where we would be doing any kind of actual setup of the code. So if we had buttons, we'd set them up there. We don't, so today we're only going to be focusing on the loop. And the loop is what it sounds like. It's just going to loop over and over again. So we're going to go over to input and output, grab right digital pin 2 on, and we're going to change pin 2 to whatever pin our light is plugged into on our Arduino. And we're going to change it to on, then we're going to grab a wait. This wait will tell the light to turn on, and then wait however long we tell it to. So I'm going to change 1,000 milliseconds to 3,000 milliseconds, which is just 3 seconds. So right now our loop is saying turn on and then wait. So what I'm going to do now is duplicate my right digital pin 2, and I'm going to turn it to pin 2 again, and I'm going to turn it off. So this is actually telling the light to turn off, and then I'm going to duplicate my wait again, because if we don't put this in here, then we won't actually have a loop. So now we're going to turn on, wait, turn off, and wait again for 3 seconds, and then a loop over. And now what I'm showing you here is actually plugging my Arduino into my computer. You'll notice when I do this, a few lights turn on. That's just showing that it has power. And now that we have our code, we can go to AB connector, which is how we tell our computer to connect to the Arduino. You'll notice that it comes up, it says checking updating libraries version 64. So once you see that, you know it's good and it's connected, but we have to do a few more things in ArduinoBlocks first. So once we get out of the AB connector, we will go to Device Manager on our computer, and this is going to tell us what port the Arduino is connected to on our computer. So we'll go to ports, COM, and LTP. We will see that Arduino Uno is connected to COM9. So COM9 is the port that we need to be connected to in ArduinoBlocks. So I'll go over here to the far right. I'm going to refresh because COM9 wasn't showing up, and then I will select COM9. Yours might be different than mine. It might be the same. I'm not 100% sure. Once we see that, we will click Upload, and this will actually bring the code onto the Arduino. And once it's finished, you'll see that it's compiled and uploaded correctly. This section of the video is used to show how to connect the light to the Arduino Uno. If you're doing the Code Scholar project, your light is already probably connected at this point. You'll see on the light that there is a longer pin and a shorter pin. The longer pin will be our positive pin, so we'll take our positive wire and take the female end and plug it into the longer pin. Once that's plugged in, we'll take our negative wire and we will take the female end and plug it into our shorter pin. I do want to note that the wires are not different on the inside, it's just the outside coloring, and that is only for identification. There's not actually any physical differences with the wires. So once those are plugged in, we will take the male ends of our wires and plug them into the corresponding pins on the Arduino Uno. Since we selected pin 2 in our code, that's the pin that we will plug our positive wire onto the Arduino. Once that's plugged in, we will grab the ground wire and we will plug it into the ground pin on the Uno. As soon as I plug this in, you'll notice that the light turns on and our loop begins. So the light will turn on for 3 seconds, turn off for 3 seconds, and then loop over as many times as you want. So this is just a basic example of how to do this. Obviously your code for the Code Scholar project will be more advanced, but this is just an example of how to upload the code and how to create a project that you can upload. Thank you so much.